for balanced nutrition. So I'm running this startup, and we are currently manufacturing a gluten-free brand, basically under the brand of SPORTIFY. And under SPORTIFY, we have different multigrains which does not have gluten in it, because gluten is one of the major trigger of allergies in the human body. In case of a celiac, they will suffer more if by chance they get exposure of gluten, which is a protein in wheat, barley and rye. However, many of the population, almost 70% of the population, does not have gene to get reacted to gluten. So they can, as of now, they can intake wheat or barley type of product. But 30% of the people have certain genes which reacts to your body. So it creates a dysbiosis in the gut. Dysbiosis is some sort of malfunctioning or the disbalance in your gut. So that's why we are working on this brand, SPORTIFY. We are manufacturing it, and you can make chapati, puri, paratha or any other bakery items or snacks out of it. And people are getting a lot of health benefit using this. So we are also building community in terms of health and nutrition. We have made few Facebook groups. You can check Beyond Diabetic. The name of these groups are Beyond Diabetic, Beyond Cancer. So these type of things that we are trying to do in order to create awareness. Our startup has been covered in some of the major newspaper and media channels. And in our last 5 years as a startup, we have been focusing and promoting various sort of awareness program. We are giving pitches to the conference, in the conference, technical conference. And here we would like to take few of your questions. Hope this presentation is useful for you. And yes, now we are open for the questions, and